Very good morning, class students. I am Jagdish, your math teacher from Kakatiya High School, Nizamabad. So today I am going to explain some important problems from real numbers. Listen well. If root 2 is equal 1.414, what is the value of the root 2? 1.414. And also the value of root 3, 1.732. Then find the value of 4 by 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. Solution. First, what is the given? Here, the value of root 2 is 1.414 and also root 3 value given 1.732. Then you have to find the value of the 4 by 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. Here what is the denominator? Denominator is 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. RF. What is the meaning of RF? Rationalizing factor of 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 is 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. RF means rationalizing factor of 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 is 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Then 4 by 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 is equal to, with the rationalizing factor, I am multiplying the numerator and also denominator. 4 by 3 root 3, 3 root 2, 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 into 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Then after I am going to multiply numerators and also denominators. What are the numerators here? 4 into 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. So clearly observe here, denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b we can write as a square minus b square is equal to, see here, 4 3s are 12. 12 root 3 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 root 2 by a square means 3 root 3 whole square minus b square means 2 root 2 whole square is equal to 12 root 3 plus 8 root 2 by 3 square into root 3 whole square minus 2 square into root 2 whole square. Square root gets cancelled. Here also square roots get cancelled. So it is 12 root 3 plus 8 root 2 by 9 into 3 minus 4 into, so 12 into, the value of root 3 is 1.732 plus 8 into, value of root 2 is 1.414 by 9 3s are 27 minus 4 2s are 8. Now multiply 1.732 by 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 2 38 3. 12 sevens are 84. 84 plus 3 87. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 8 20. So it is 20.784. 20.784 plus 8 fours are 32. 3. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 1 33. 3. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 3 how much? 11. So it is by 19. So 12 into 1.732 is 20.784. Similarly, 8 into 1.414 is 11.312. 27 minus 8 is equal to 19. Is equal to. Now add this both 20.784 and 13.182. You will get the answer 32.096. 32.096 by 19. So by adding these two, you will get 32.096. Then divide the 32.096 by 19. You will get the answer 1.689. So the answer of given question is 1.689. 9th class students, here is the next question. If 5 minus root 11 by 7 plus 2 root 11 is equal a root 11 minus b, then find the value of a and b. In solution, what is the given here? 5 minus root 11 by 7 plus 2 root 11. I am taking first LHS part. Here R means a rationalizing factor of 7 plus 2 root 11 is 7 minus 2 root 11. Now I am multiplying these both. 7 plus 2 root 11 into 7 minus 2 root 11 is equal. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula of the a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. Here a square means we can add a 7 square. Minus b square is 2 root 11 whole square. 7 square is 49 minus 2 square into root 11 whole square. Here square and root gets cancelled. What is the remaining here? 49 minus 4 into 11 is equal 49 minus 44 is equal to 5. Now 5 minus root 11 by 7 plus 2 root 11 is equal. Rationalizing factor of 7 plus 2 root 11 is 7 minus 2 root 11. So with this rationalizing factor I am going to multiply the numerator and also denominator. By that 5 minus root 11 by 7 plus 2 root 11 into 7 minus 2 root 11 by 7 minus 2 root 11 is equal. Now multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. What are the numerators here? 5 minus root 11 into 7 minus 2 root 11 by 7 plus 2 root 11 into 7 minus 2 root 11 is equal 5 bracket 7 minus 2 root 11 minus root 11 into 7 minus 2 root 11 by here 7 plus, already we know the value of 7 plus 2 root 11 into 7 minus 2 root 11. So the value of 7 plus 2 root 11 into 7 minus 2 root 11 is equal to 5 by 5. Now 7 5s are 35 minus 5 2s are 10 root 11 minus 7 into root 11 7 root 11 minus into minus plus 2 into root 11 into root 11 whole square by 5 is equal 35 minus, see here 10 root 11 minus 7 root 11 both are like numbers. So what we can write here? Minus 17 root 11 plus 2 into 11 by 5. Here 35 minus 17 root 11 plus 22 by 5. 35 plus 22 we can write 57. 57 minus 7 root 11 by 5. Now divide this. We can write 57 by 5 and minus 7 root 11 by 5. So I am taking root 11 term first by 5 plus 57 by 5 is equal to a root 11 minus b. So here compare minus 17 root 11 by 5 is equal a root 11. Root 11 cancel. What is the value of the a is equal to minus 17 by 5 and also minus b is equal to 57 by 5. Then b is equal to minus 57 by 5. So finally the value of a is minus 17 by 5 and value of b is minus 57 by 5. If 3 plus 2 root 7 by 5 plus 3 root 7 3 plus 2 root 7 by 5 plus 3 root 7 is equal to a plus b root 7. Then find the value of a and b. Here what is the question? If 3 plus 2 root 7 by 5 plus 3 root 7 is equal a plus b root 7, then find the value of a and b. RF, rationalizing factor of 5 plus 3 root 7 is 5 minus 3 root 7. Now multiply 5 plus 3 root 7 into 5 minus 3 root 7. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square means 5 whole square. Minus b square means 3 root 7 whole square. So 5 square means 25. Minus 3 square into root 7 whole square. Square root gets cancelled. 25 minus 3 square means 9 into 7. So 25 minus 9 sevens are 63. It is 25 minus 63 is equal to minus 38. The product of 5 plus 3 root 7 into 5 minus 3 root 7 is minus 38. Here, rationalizing factor of 5 plus 3 root 7 is 5 minus 3 root 7. So it is 3 plus 2 root 7 by 5 plus 3 root 7 into 5 minus 3 root 7 by 5 minus 3 root 7. Now multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. By multiplying the numerators, what do you get? 3 plus 2 root 7 into 5 minus 3 root 7 by 5 plus 3 root 7 into 5 minus 3 root 7 is equal. Now 3 into 5 minus 3 root 7 plus 2 root 7 into 5 minus 3 root 7 by, already we know the value of denominator, that is nothing but minus 38. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 root 7 plus 2 5s are 10 root 7 minus 3 2s are 6. Root 7 into root 7 whole square by minus 38 is equal to 15. See here, minus 9 root 7 and plus 10 root 7. Two are like terms. By subtracting that, what you will get? Minus 1 root 7. Minus 6 into square root cancel by 7 by minus 38 is equal to 15 minus root 7 minus 42 by minus 38. 15 minus root 7 minus 42 by minus 38. So subtract 59 42. What you will get here? Minus 25 minus 27 minus root 7 by minus 38 is equal to minus 27 by minus 38 minus root 7 by minus 38 is equal plus root 7 is equal, what is the given? A plus b root 7. What is the rational part here? Rational part is equal to rational part. So a value is minus 27 by 30, 27 by 38. And what about irrational part? Root 7 by minus 38 is equal to b by b root 7. Root 7 gets cancelled. What is the b is equal to minus 1 by 38. So 9th class students, here is the homework. If 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3, then find the value of a and b. If root 3 is equal to 1.414 and root 3 is equal to 1.732, then find the value of 3 by 3 root 3 plus 2 root. So complete the homework.